Hello, this is Mark Miklos, and I live right here in East Brunswick, New Jersey. I'm a singer-songwriter of traditional country and bluegrass music. Pocono Joe was a song that was easy for me to write. This song, Pocono Joe, is about my dad, who spent a lot of time in the Pocono Mountains in Pennsylvania, way back in the woods, in the middle of a hemlock grove. There stands an old house at the end of a dirt road, and that's just what it was. When I play out throughout the Northeast, all the way down to Florida, wherever I play festivals, someone always requests Pocono Joe because of that story about my dad.
Well, it's way back in the woods, out in the middle of a hemlock grove. There stands this old house at the end of a dirt road. And the man that lives there, all the locals know, well, he goes by the name Pocono Joe. He's got coffee on that old wood stove. There's a deer head upon the wall. He's got a shotgun in the corner next to a turkey call. Firewood stacked up around the house, waiting for winter snow. Oh, and how I love to go see Pocono Joe. Yeah, come on now, Pocono Joe, yeah, man, that's where I go. Well, I'll grab my old shotgun, we'll take along my fishing pole. And he taught me about life with a fiddle and a bow. Oh, I love to go see Pocono Joe. He's got a pond out in the backyard. Well, it's filled with largemouth bass. And the deer down by the edge of the creek, well, they're nibbling on the grass. And I play this guitar and old pick on an old banjo. We'll be singing through the day up at Pocono Joe. Yeah, come on, Pocono Joe, yeah, man, that's where I go. Well, I'll grab my old shotgun, we take along my fishing pole.